Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for musicians. Meet the new lead center. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. CallRail Lead Center. Robust call management functionality. You've already been using Lead Center to take and place phone calls and texts. With the new Lead Center, you can do that and more, like setting up teams of agents to route specific calls to, having callers wait in a queue to speak to someone rather than just sending them to voicemail or the next step in your call flow, enhanced quality assurance and coaching tools. If you're just tracking inbound calls, you're only getting part of the story. The new version of Lead Center lets you in on the other half by automatically recording outbound calls. And with the past version, you could only monitor phone calls. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Ready, set, go. There are many different parallels between a great sports team and a great sales organization. To achieve a high level of success, you must continue to improve your processes, create a strong team culture with competition, generate peer feedback, and show progress after every single opportunity. CallRail has the tools to help you stay on track throughout the entire process. Start testing them out for free. If you can do that, you and your team have a great opportunity to reach your goals this week, this month, this quarter, this year, and far into the future. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.